What's up, guys? I'm gonna be recapping June 15th to the 19th this week. Yeah, so let's just go straight into Monday. It's Sunday, Monday, 6:30. Okay, cool. And Monday, what are we looking at, right? We have two different. This week was really, really weird. For me, at least, it was a capital saving week rather than trying to make money. We have this new week opening gap as a target, right? And we also have all time highs as a target as well. So we're really in between these two strong draws of liquidity, and I really didn't like how this was looking. Anyways, just going into Monday, right? Um, what do we see? We have this 1 hour down here, and then we have a 4 hour, I believe, as well for us to react off. Right? I think this 4 hour is more realistic. Yeah, this 4 hour to bounce off of, and let's just go into market open. Yep. Okay, nice, bro. Just creating a bunch of LR, but again, we have nothing we're bouncing off of. It's invalidate to short, right? There's no reason, there's no way I could validate shorting this, right? We're essentially shorting all time highs. Really awkward position to be in. I didn't like it at all. Thought maybe this 30-minute would take us higher to all time highs, but I ended up taking a loss here. I forgot how, to be honest. Um, yeah, like looking at it now, like what am I doing, right? Like what am I doing? Like how am I even trading this condition? Just discussing conditions. Monday was an easy fade day. Um, I ended up taking a loss. We had this 15-minute. We could have played continuations out of, but so many unmitted gaps below, so much LR below, new week opening gap below. But I guess if you really wanted, you could say that your bias was super bullish to all time highs. And as soon as we tapped into this 15-minute, you took a continuation. But honestly, that's just not a plus, and that's really just not how I trade. Um, but yeah, it would have played out. Yeah, it definitely would have played out. Just horrible delivery. Up, you would have gone stop hunted, and yeah, it was just all bad. Right. Cool. Going on to Tuesday. Mm, mm, mm. This is really slow. Going on to Tuesday. Cool. Yeah, cool. Tuesday, I ended up taking a W. I'll go ahead and explain. Right now, we are at all time highs. Again, iffy position where we could kind of go either way, right? But we knew this 30-minute was either going to take us higher or lower. That's 6:30, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. I think I ended up shorting this day, but yeah. So opening up the charts, right? We have a 30-minute as our condition for the day. So if we validate this 30-minute, I expect price to go down to this 4 hour, take plays off this 4 hour. Really as simple as that. Either way, we using this 30-minute, right? If we reject, we're just gonna pump. If we tap into it, we are going to dump down to this 4 hour. Honestly, I know the argument is, bro, you're shorting all time highs, but again, right? The structure was too good. So we do end up tapping into this 30-minute, and what do I see? Just absolute abundance of LR generated, right? This is just A plus. All this LR generated after tapping before tapping into this 30-minute gap to send us lower, and we end up getting that displacement, right? Yep, all the way down to the 4 hour. I end up, I'm pretty sure, entering here. putting stop pretty close. I held down to here. Um, just because the fact that again we're shorting all time highs, I wasn't the most confident um, in it playing all the way down, but yeah, it just ended up playing out beautifully. We had our targets, we had reason to go down to balance this 4 hour, and yeah, we needed to use this 30-minute as a condition. We had the accumulation as well. Absolute banger day. Going on to Wednesday, also took a dub on Wednesday. Um, Wednesday was the last day I traded. I traded Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I didn't trade Thursday. Honestly, the alarm didn't go off. That's like completely on me. I know some people took W's, but yeah. And then, damn, this is pretty slow. Hmm. We'll go like this. Somewhere here. Cool. Continuing on to Wednesday. Super simple for Wednesday. Cool. Went a little bit too far, I think. Yeah. I ended up taking a short as well on Wednesday. Let's just go to exactly market open. Cool. All right, Wednesday. What do I see on the chart? Again, we are disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish or high time. Um, again, right? We have this target for the entire week, new week opening gap, right? That was my target for the entire week, and we are trailing close to it. We are respecting a 4 hour currently, and I know there was a 30-minute, right? Right. Oh, this 30 minutes gets disrespected. However, we have this new unfilled 30-minute on top. And yeah, I'm kind of using this 30-minute as my condition once again. Kind of the same play as Tuesday, just using a 30-minute as a condition. So same really thing, right? Like if we're going to tap into this 30-minute and respect, I expect us to tap into new week opening gap. And if we don't, I expect us to bull run all the way until um what was I about to say? All time highs again. Cool. And checking the charts, what do? We end up respecting this 30-minute. And I don't think I took it here. I took it here, actually. I took a short somewhere here. I think it was a 2-minute. I actually ended up taking this 2-minute a little bit before close, or a little bit after it closed. I know we didn't close completely, but I was just really like convicted on this play, right? We reswept this 30-minute and ended up banging TP in 2 candles. Same thing, right? We are now stop hunting this new high. ES was also respecting a 30-minute at the time, and I knew we wanted to go lower down to new week opening gap. But again, shorting all time highs is not the best idea. I'm pretty sure later we do end up going back up. Yep. But yeah, just needed my piece of the cake. And I'm pretty sure later in session, we actually do end up tapping into um, new week opening gap. Yeah, cool. And then now moving on to Thursday. I completely missed Thursday like a dumbass, but we will just go to Thursday. Let's just go here. Right. Cool. Nope. I honestly haven't even looked at Thursday, so we will look at it together. Cool. I know we passed it a little bit. Yep, I'm sure we did. Okay. RS. All right. So again, now that we've tapped into new week opening gap and we are disrespecting out of it, I'm going to be bullish. You know, I see this 1 hour. I want this 1 hour to be tapped into before it sends us higher. Yep. And let's see what price action does. Boom. Tap the 1 hour. Right. We get an inversion. Initially, this is completely dog shit. I would not take this. I would want any other stop hunt. And we definitely have a 30 seconds somewhere here. Beautiful. And I would have entered right here. Stops. TP, if we have a 5 minute, go break even at. Perfect. And a couple things I want to check before I take this. Okay. Did we just open up a 15 minute? Is that what happened? Let's see. Break even right there. Let's see if it plays out. Yep, it plays out beautifully. Would have gone break even at the 5 and then ends up ripping to TP and then goes back down. I'm sure we just play all the way up. Yep, cool. Wow, Thursday was free money. Unfortunate. Super unfortunate. But shit happens. You don't get FOMO. And then today, like if you genuinely traded today, you have problems. Why are you trading on a bank holiday? I don't get it. A lot of people are just in love with trading. What is wrong with you, bro? Like that's literally like you love to work. You love to work. Like at that point, like just go work a 9 to 5. There's no point of you trading. Cool. But I literally want to show you guys a chart from today. Like, bro, this is where you decided to trade. Let's look at the 5 minute. Nice. Like this is the range you decided to trade in. Are you serious, bro? Like this is what you decided to trade in today? Dude, I could literally sign into a gym. This literally looks like a gym bar scope. Like I could literally go buy something with this barcode. If you decided to trade in this, congratulations, you are a complete jackass. And yeah, there's no need to be trading bank holidays, bro. Take your weekend off, enjoy time with friends and family. Come on, bro. Like, what are we doing? Yeah, like again, I can't express this enough. I genuinely could scan into my gym with this barcode. So, yeah. Dude, on bank holidays, enjoy your time off. What holiday was it today? I think it was Juneteenth or something. Yeah, Juneteenth, man. Go make sure you celebrate with your black friends and have a great rest of your weekend. Don't full port Asia, and I will see you on the next recording.